Hi everyone. Today we will discuss permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. In permutation, when a group of objects or people are arranged in certain order, the arrangement is called permutation. But in combination, just a selection of objects which the order is not important is called combination. So it is very important to tell the difference of these two concepts. Let me give you a very simple example. If you choose two persons in a group and arrange them, A first, then B, or B first, then A. If you arrange this order, please note that this arrangement are different. Okay, for example, first person is the president and second person is the secretary. Then A is the president, B is the secretary, and B is the president, A is the secretary. This is a totally different situation. Okay, but in combination, I just choose or select two people. And B and A. Like I want to choose two committee members. So I choose A and B, or I choose B and A. This is the same thing. Okay. So understanding this difference is very important because in most cases the combination and permutation can be found easily using this formula. NPR is n factorial over n minus r factorial, and NCR is n factorial over r factorial n minus r factorial. In combination, since you have r factorial is here, in most cases, not always, in most cases, the combination number is slightly less than the permutation number. Okay, we will try to solve some equation first. Okay, find the value 7 permutation 3. Please note that this here arrange or order, right? This is very important concept. So how can you find 7 permutation 3? If I follow the formula, it's a 7 factorial and 7 minus 3 factorial, right? Which is 7 factorial over 4 factorial. If I copy 7 factorial, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Before multiplying, always please try to simplification first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 is cancel out, right? So you have only, what is that? 210. Okay, how about 7 combination 3? If I use the formula, this is the 7 factorial, 3 factorial, and 7 minus 3 factorial, right? please note that this part is the same as this part. Okay, now one more time, I will arrange all numbers according to the definition of the factorial. So 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. Since 7 and 3 is a 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4 will be cancelled out, and these two things is 6. So 6, and this 6 will be cancelled out, right? So you have only 35. Okay, good. Okay, next one. Determine whether each situation involves a permutation or a combination. Then find the number of possibilities. So please note that decide the situation is a permutation or a combination. That is the key point. Read the whole sentence very carefully. An arrangement of the letters in the word algebra. Arrangement, right? So please note that this is the permutation problem. So how many letters are there? 7. How many letters do you want to arrange? 7, right? If I follow the definition, is a 7 factorial, 7 minus 7 factorial is a 7 factorial, and by definition 0 factorial is 1, right? Wow, so 7 permutation 7 is the same as 7 factorial. So this is a 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is a 6, 24, 120, 720, I think this is 5040. Okay, next question. Choosing 3 CDs to buy from 10 that are on sale. Wow, here. Choosing 3 CD at the same time, right? So choosing A, B, and C, or choosing B, C, and A. Note that this is the same situation. So this is a combination problem, right? So out of 10, combination 3. If I do some mental math, it's a 10 factorial, 3 factorial, 7 factorial, right? So it's a 10, 9, 8, 7 factorial, 3, 2, 1, 7 factorial. I did not write the 7 factorial in detail because I can simplify this 2 parts, right? So what is that? 3 here, 4 here, right? So 120 will be your answer. Good. Okay, now 2 more questions. Deciding a gold, a silver, and bronze medalist from 8 competitors. Wow. Gold, silver, bronze. Please note that arrangement or order is very important in this case, right? So this is the permutation problem. Out of 8 player, I want to arrange 3. So it's a factorial, 8 minus 3 or 5 factorial. So after you cancel out, you have 8 times 7 times 6 only left, right? So we have a 336 arrangement. Okay, next one. Choosing 2 committee members out of 12 students. Okay, it's a choosing problem. So this is a combination, right? So out of 12, I want to choose 2 things only. So 12 factorial, 2 factorial, 12 minus 2 or 10 factorial, right? One more time. This is 12 times 11 times 10 factorial. 2 times 1 times 10 factorial. So 10 factorial will be cancelled out. So I think this is the 66. Okay. So let me briefly summarize one more time. We have a permutation and combination. In permutation, think this one, order is very important. Okay, and permutation R can be calculated by m factorial over m minus r factorial, and combination order is not important. Okay, and the calculation and combination R equals n factorial, r factorial here, n minus r factorial here. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.